Hey guys, what's up? And you are watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, we are going to make a bouquet of flowers, especially it's miniature and for dolls. Okay, so I have the materials here. I got my colored paper, a tissue paper, a scissor is optional. I'm gonna use a ribbon and glue. Okay, so let's start. And voila, we are already done. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next time to our next video. Bye!